Everyone wants to be rich, but very few people want to be disciplined. The truth? Wealth starts with habits, not income. You'll stay broke if every dollar you get disappears the second it arrives. Rich people don't act rich. They build rich habits first. The broke mindset chases dopamine. The wealthy mindset delays it. Financial freedom isn't about earning more. It's about needing less. Your money habits are louder than your income. Can you say no to the short-term flex for the long-term win? Discipline is the bridge between I want and I have. Every time you spend without thinking, you trade your future for a feeling. Stop trying to look rich. Start trying to be free. Wealth is boring. It's automated savings. It's saying no often. Your budget is your freedom document. It's not that you're bad with money. You're just emotionally undisciplined. You don't need a raise. You need rules. Without financial boundaries, your goals are just fantasies. Every purchase is a vote for the life you'll live tomorrow. The people who win financially aren't lucky. They're patient. Control is the real flex. If you don't learn to manage a little, you'll lose a lot. Every dollar has a job. If you don't assign it, your impulses will. Comment discipline over drip if you're done being broke by choice. Keep your mind strong, your goals sharp, and your grind consistent. Stay motivated, keep growing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Growth Reality Check family.